Hey there folks, it's Yakin here from Training Ground. Alright, welcome back to an unboxing video featuring today's two devices, okay? Now the first one is the Galaxy Z Flip 5 over here, which I have here is the lavender color, and the Galaxy Watch 6. So this is the 44mm. Alright, so let's check the packaging first before we are going to unbox, okay? Let's start off with the Galaxy Z Flip 5. So basically you have two seals over here, done, and also same for the Galaxy Watch 6. You also have the seal top and the bottom over here. But the Galaxy Watch 6, they have a little bit more details, especially they will tell you like what kind of model, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, GPS model over here, whether is it has LTE or whatever, it will be noted on it. So let's not waste any more time. We're going to start unboxing the first device, the Galaxy Z Flip 5. So let us just pull this tab and pull one more of this. Voila. Ooh, pretty much easy, straightforward. So this is the phone. Wait up, I'm gonna check out what is this box actually is included in. Okay, so the moment you unbox it, you are greeted with the cable and some paperwork, which I'm not gonna be wasting too much time on it. Okay, the SIM card ejector 2 pin is there as well. Great, that is great. We already know where it is at, and we can resume to close it. Great. Let's get back to the phone itself. Okay, so you can use the tab here, take out the phone. Alright, so basically there's nothing much. So all you need to do is just pull the tab over here, and voila, there you go. That's the Galaxy Z Flip 5. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I'll let you guys marvel with it for a while. Alright, okay, so that's the phone. Looks really amazing, looks nice, really, really cool. Man, still love their new flex window with the whole screen being bigger on the outside, so you don't have to keep flipping on, flipping off just to go to the main screen. So for the crease, yes, it's still over there, even though it is using the new hinge. And something this year I think most people would love it is the zero gap hinge. Yes, this is an actual reworked hinge by Samsung. Okay, after a lot of users been asking why are there gaps when it's being fold, so now Samsung is listening and they are using the teardrop screen folding technique, which helps to create this zero gap. I think they've done it very beautifully, and the hinge is still very, very sturdy. Compared to some competitors, I do notice that their hinge are very easy to get a little bit loosey after several times of using it. And over here, I still can't give you the exact moment how does it going to perform, but we have to see. Alright, so you already watched all the specification, everybody from all the reviewers, the tech YouTubers and so on. I'm not going to tell you so much, but if you are willing to wait for my full review, please do so and check. I'm not going to fire up this one. I'm just going to unbox and also give some quick impression. So right now, flip fire aside, let's head back to the watch 6. So you need to pull this tab away. Another tab over here. Great. So right now you should be able to access the watch 6. Okay, let's check what's being given along with this watch 6. I know some of you people are very interested, like what are they actually including in this time? Paperworks, you have some paperworks over here. Oh, so they do it a little bit hybrid. Okay, top part is a paperwork, all the manual guides and so on, and at the bottom you get the cable. So you need this guy here to charge back your watch 6. Cool. Gonna need this guy over here as well. Okay, so enough about the charger. I'm gonna put the charger here so you guys can admire it while talking about the watch 6. So here is the watch 6. This is not the classic version. In terms, if you are someone that is not really following the tech news, you might think this looks similar to the watch 5, but actually no, there are like certain things you can notice that this is a watch 6. The first one is the pull one pin to remove the watch strap right now. Yeah, so it's very easy to remove it. Yeah, basically that's it. All you need to do, just one pin. Right, so demo for you guys to watch. And I still think that the ever since the Watch 5 series, using the Wear OS, I think it is a tremendously good smartwatch to own, especially if you're a Samsung Galaxy user. But if you are also other Android users or maybe iOS user, I think this watch is still one of the great smartwatch to use because you are able to download apps from the Google Store. Yeah. Yeah, so this is using a 20mm strap. It's great. Cool. So overall, that's the Watch 6 and the Flip 5. What do you guys think? I think this both device has been a really tremendously game changer because they are creating a lot of great benefits for the users, whether you're a content creator or a fitness freak. This is a really great devices to own. And if you're on the Samsung ecosystem, you can get them right now in Malaysia. Pre-orders, I think they are still running on. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you guys love this kind of content. I'm Yakan, and if you're still new to the YouTube channel, please go ahead and subscribe, follow us on social media. I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, peace out.